Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a flower farm. Technically is making clones of flowers. So what you'll need is 2 construction blocks. I'm using wool, 2 building blocks, redstone comparator, dispenser, and a laver, and a lot of bone meal. We'll get to that later. So first of all, you'll need to place the construction blocks in an order like this, and then place your dispenser here, right? Then now do this side, place your comparator and turn it on. Now place a block in front of you. This should be your building block, or your construction block, and then crouch and then put it on the dispenser. So then you're gonna get your redstone, put it here, then you're gonna continue it here. Yeah, now we're gonna add our lever, and then I'm gonna add some bone meal. So okay, so there it is, bone meal. Take that. Then what is this egg doing here? Now we'll just do flowers. Now for the ones that I'm using lilacs, sunflowers. Now these only work with 2 block flowers. That ones that stand up 2 blocks. Then rose bushes, and then peonies. Okay, yeah. So then now what you want to do with all your bone meal is that you want to go into your dispenser, fill all your bone meal into the dispenser, right? And then should work. Just need to move all my flowers in here. Fingers crossed. See, it works. And now if you look behind, you'll see the comparator. And the redstone is all power too. Let's do some flowers. So yeah, apparently you get the idea, right? Oh wait, yeah. So yeah, apparently you get the idea, right? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.